Anthony Creek here with Creek Manufacturing. This video is a quick go over a problem that most people have and that everyone will experience in the direct-to-film market, the dreaded film head strike. Now, some people freak out when this happens because they're going to spend, $300 to $3,000 or more depending on the type of printhead they have or how many printheads they have in the system. So anyhow, our solution, Purple Hammer Max, can help with this problem. And how it does is it basically softens up the bend on the bottom printhead plate, and overnight or as little as 6 hours it will bend that back into place. And what you'll need to do is just make sure you do a cleaning and then a nozzle check to see where you're at. Of course, just make sure that you pour the solution in the capping station or capping top, close the waistline so it doesn't drain out, and make sure that the head is capped for as little as 6 hours to 24 hours. 24 hours is what we suggest because that will ensure that the chemical is fully functioning, and it's a slow process. So just make sure that you put it in there as long as possible. It doesn't need to be in there longer than 24 hours, but it can stay. It's aggressive, but it's safe for the printhead and the parts. So you'll have confidence knowing that if you leave it for longer, it's totally fine. It's not going to mess up anything in the printer. But what happens is it softens up the bottom part of the printhead, the bottom plate, and it bends it back in place. So anyhow, if it's a hard bend, which is something like a ding or a dent, it probably won't help that, or a gash. So if there's a gash or a cut on the bottom of the printhead, it probably won't fix those issues. It's only times that there is a soft bend, and the chemical that we have inside the solution helps with that. So anyhow, there's more uses for this solution. It'll be in a link in the description below. If you have any questions, you can always call us, email us, or comment below. And also, just make sure that you like the video, you subscribe to the channel, and you share with a friend, because the information in this video will help you and your friend to save money now and in the future, because these parts are very expensive and we want everybody to be successful in their printing process. Thanks so much, and please be sure again to like the video and subscribe to the channel.